Yes.
Yes.
Some
Okay,
more
we are just,
alumni joined us.
yeah, I guess, yeah, we are just 19 of us.
Yes. I think we should go ahead as per the
Okay,
better
ma'am,
to
sure.
start.
Yes.
Greg sir, I can't see your face.
Can you see me now?
No.
You'll have to go on
He
some
is
other
logged
screen,
in
I
as
think.
CODPRRIS.
So,
CODPRRIS.
Ha ha ha. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. I got
can
it.
you see me now? Kashish, can you see me now?
Yes, sir. I'm trying. Yes, yes. I can.
Okay. How do I look?
Very nice. Very
Judge me.
handsome.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, so this is the afternoon that we all had been waiting for, and finally it has arrived. So let's not waste any time without any ado. We would begin with the wonderful interview on Back to the Roots. And we are so happy and delighted to have Kashish Panchal, our ex-student, I would say. Ex, the reason because you are an extra special child, extra just that, like the others. So we have the alumnus with us, Kashish Panchal with us, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls of all age. So welcome you to this wonderful platform, and let's begin. So Kashish, I would start this wonderful session, this wonderful afternoon, with the introduction, right? Your introduction, obviously. So I have written a small poem. I hope you like it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Kashish Panchal, a girl who bears no stage fear, a girl who is strong-minded with intention very pure and clear. Kashish Panchal, a girl of today with unshakable virtues for future, a multifaceted person with bunch of talents to nurture. Kashish Panchal, an inseparable, amazing member of Ramratna International School family. Dear, may you achieve all your dreams and your heart wants to be. Kashish, आपकी हर एक कोशिश रंग लाई है. So on that note, I welcome Kashish. Let us all give a school clap for Kashish.
Thank you so much. It was very beautiful. I loved the poem so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So my efforts are not gone in vain. Thank you so much. I would like to also add something else about Kashish. She has several achievements at her credit. To her credit, she has won several competitions at college level in fashion show, in photo story competition, in drawing competition, and also in education. And let me tell you, the feather to her cap, another feather to her cap is she is a certified makeup artist. And let me remind you, those who have not seen it, or maybe those who have seen it, just a reminder to you all. On 21st June 2020 at 3 p.m., she has a makeup masterclass workshop on Zoom app. The invitation soon will be sent to you all. So be part of it and make Akashish very proud of.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank
I'm
you.
going to join Kashish.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Please do definitely.
even I, though it is not of my genre, but I will try to understand and give some tips to my wife. Thank
I
you
too
so much.
have
I
registered
will.
Kashish.
All
I
right,
will.
all
I
right.
will also make a session on male grooming then.
Oh, lovely, lovely. I would love to enjoy and be a part of it. All right. So, Kashish, before we start off with the actual interview, sort of, I would like to go on with some rapid fire questions with you. How about rapid fire questions? Are you okay with it? I mean, have you ever done this?
Yeah,
Okay.
I haven't done it, but I'll try my best.
Okay. Everything happens for the first time, right? So, this is the first time yours.
Yes.
So everybody, all those who are here joined us, also would like to. I would also like you to type your answers instantly, whatever comes to your mind. As per the question, please type it. And Kashish, I would request you to remain on unmute position and just answer whatever comes to your mind once I ask the question. All right,
Okay. Yes.
good to go. Good to go.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, buckle up yourself and brace yourself. The first question comes to you. Whom do you give credit for your growth and development and success in life?
My mother.
Oh, that's a wonderful answer. Yes, she is the one who brought you in this world, and she has done tremendous uh, work and everything that she has done. I can vouch for that. I've seen it. I have known her personally. Thank you so much. All right. So I see the different answer. People have written mother, father, parents, lovely, friends. Great, great, great. Okay. The next question to you is: what are the strengths of Ramratna International School? What do you think? What are the strengths of
Um,
Ramratna International School? People, keep writing.
I think the strength of RRIS is the staff members, which includes the teachers, principal ma'am, and admin staff. They are really the strength of RRIS. They are the pillars of RRIS.
Well said, well said. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, next question to you. Yes, the people also have written same thing. Staff of RRIS and personal attention to the student. Lovely. So next question, the third one. Describe your journey at RRIS in your own words. How do you describe your journey at RRIS?
Um, my journey of RRIS is in one word or in my own words. I can
In
say
your
it.
own words. In your own words. In your. Take your
Okay.
time.
Uh, it was really fascinating. My journey was really fun. I got to learn so many new things in just 2 years, and I have literally changed many schools, but RRIS is one of the best school I've ever been to, and all the memories that I have in RRIS, it's really great.
Even I resonate with your thoughts. I too have the same feelings about RRIS, the best school that I have been as a teacher, as a mentor. Thank you so much. Okay, the next question. If you were
Yes,
alone, if you were alone on an island, who else would
mm,
you want to be with you and why?
on an island. I would like to be with Bear Grylls.
Oh my God, quite wild, huh?
Because he knows everything about survival, so it will be a plus point for me.
What a thoughtful answer. Very, very presence of mind. Huh? Lovely, lovely answer. Okay, next question to you all, and especially for Kashish. If you were announced as Miss World, show your expression right now on the screen.
Okay. Can you like
Yeah,
can you say like
I'll announce. So the
yeah?
Miss World for the year 2020 is Miss Kashish Panchal. I hope Reshma ma'am, somebody's capturing her movements there. All right, lovely. That was lovely.
I can
Okay,
only laugh.
good. You
I'll
did not
be
faint.
Wow, Kashish. God bless you. But
Good, you did not faint over
thank
there.
you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
All right, the next question. Complete the following. Hashtag funny person that you know.
My college friend Bhavna Taude.
Okay. Is she
Yeah,
very funny?
yeah, she's very funny.
Okay, so you have a good time at college, huh? Okay, the next
Yes,
one. Complete this. Hashtag fashion icon.
fashion icon.
Yeah.
Komal Pandey.
Okay, lovely. Lovely. Okay, the next question. When I see myself in the mirror, what one word do I say?
I wouldn't say one word, but I this is what I do every day. I do watch myself in the mirror and I say a sentence to myself is that remove toxic people from your life because your mental health is very important.
Wow, that's so nice. You know, we also have a mirror in the school, and there was also a nice line written. There is a beautiful person
Yes.
within you. So definitely, the outer look is doesn't matter. The beauty lies within. That's wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. The next question
Yes.
to you, and the last one is one thing that I love, hate, and tolerate about myself. So we'll go one thing at a time. What do you love about yourself?
Okay. Uh, One thing that I love is I am I'm really supportive and I respect people. Then one thing that I hate is I'm a very overthinker. I think a lot, and thing that I tolerate is
You hate, you said also you hate yourself.
no, I hate because I think a lot. I'm a
All right.
overthinker.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. At
And
times it's
what I
good.
tolerate is I guess what I tolerate is being too respectful and too supportive with people whom I know that they are wrong, but still I support them and I'm being too kind with them.
Oh, wow. That's a very good quality, I mean, you have. Okay, thank you so much. So that was a very wonderful performance, a stellar performance, I would say. And I would request our audience, rather, to just type it on the chat box. How did she perform? Just describe in one word, quickly. How did she perform? Come on, quickly. Great.
Great.
Yeah, please type it. I'm waiting. We have 31 people here. Are we writing? Anybody's writing? How did she perform? Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Beautifully. She's natural. Amazing. Very well answered. Amazing. Okay. Even your mom is on the board. Right. On board. Wow. Lovely. Best. The true answer. True from the heart. Great. Excellent. Okay. So that was the rapid fire round, and we have a wrap on that. The interview, the official interview starts now. So the first question to Kashish
I'm
is,
sorry, Greg sir. Can we just have a see a video, a glimpse
all
of
right.
a video?
I was thinking of putting it in the between, the reason because okay, fine, it's okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, we'll have a small video, some glimpses of Kashish. So have a better look at it. Everybody, enjoy. Here we go.
Sir, have you started the video? I can't see it.
Even I'm not able to see it. Reshma ma'am, Kashish cannot see the video.
It's a PRO screen you can see.
Yeah, just link it on PRO. Can you see it now?
I'm checking. Just a minute.
I am presenting my screen. Just pin it up.
Yeah, is it visible to others?
Yes, I
Yes,
got it.
yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir. Thank
So
you.
Kashish, I'm playing again. Can you
Yes,
see?
yes, ma'am, I can
Oh.
see.
All right.
Those who are not able to see, please check. There are two icons for PRO RRIS, and one of them is for the screen presentation. And I would request if we can replay it after this ends because Kashish did not see it from the beginning. It is meant for her. So, Kashish, we will be playing it
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
I hope you can see now, Kashish.
Yes, ma'am, I can see. I can see.
Okay, and we'll play again because we would also like to see it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Isn't she? See her creativity. Whew.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All the
Yeah,
memories are running back now.
that's good. Okay, as ma'am said, we would play it again, right? Piero ma'am, please play it from the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, so that's a bundle of all memories that we could put together, and I would like to thank Piaro ma'am and Reshma ma'am for putting it together, compiling together. So thank you so much, both of you. And Kashir, I would like to say something. You are
Yes.
blessed with talents, but in another way, people are blessed with talents, but how to take it further and how to nurture it and build it on is something that one should learn from you. So God bless you, dear.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
So let's start with the official interview. The very first question to you is, which institute are you in currently, and which course are you pursuing?
Currently, I'm in KPB Hinduja College and I'm studying bachelor's in mass media. Currently, I am in my third year.
Excellent. All right. So, how is it going? Are you enjoying
Yes, I'm enjoying a lot, a lot.
every bit of it? Every bit of it,
Yes,
and that's how
yes.
the life should be enjoyed. Lovely. All the best for your future. And the next one, what books have you been reading of late?
So I am not quite a book lover. So the last book, if I can say like a proper book, then I have read my last textbook of photography. And because of my exam, I read that book. But I don't really read books much because I mostly get my knowledge from watching YouTube videos. So if whatever it is, whenever I'm feeling a bit low, so I try watching some YouTube videos, some motivational speeches from few speakers. And if I want to learn something about makeup or journalism or photography, I watch videos from YouTube and I learn things from watching videos. And books, I have tried a lot to read books. I have been to few sessions by Pawan Bhattar, but I tried reading a book. I completed 2 3 books, but then I was really bored. So it's not that I haven't tried. I have tried a lot, but I think that the knowledge that I get visually is much better for me than reading books. So
That is
yes,
important. Yes, that is also important because reading for your own knowledge and also to groom your own self in the career that
yes.
you are or you wish to be. So that's also a good reading, and keep it up. Thank you so much. Next one. Have you been pursuing sports you were trained in school?
I was never a sports sports person. So no, I haven't been pursuing sports after my school because even in school time, whenever there used to be sports lecture, everyone used to be very excited about PT lectures. But I was always the one who was really bored because I was not at all a sports person. And yeah, I didn't like sports much, so I never pursued it after my
But
schooling.
at least a sort of running, maybe catching a train or catching a bus. Is
Yeah,
that
that's
running helping you?
definitely. Yes, yes. Catching the train is for sure.
So you're pursuing in a other way. It's not directly, but indirectly you're doing it.
Yes,
That's good. That's good.
indirectly.
Thank you. Next, what kind of music do you follow?
I like pop music a lot, and there's this genre which I recently learned about. It's called rhythms and blues.
Okay.
So basically, in that genre, it's about relationships and freedom. The music is all about relationships and freedom. So I like empowerment. So I like those two genres of music a lot.
Okay. I don't know. Would it come it as a surprise to you, know, or just a shock? But then, would you like to sing 2 lines of a song that you like? Just 2 lines.
Okay.
Just one.
Okay. Any Hindi, English, anything?
Anyone of your choice, whatever you feel like.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'll say one. I'll sing one song. ओरे मनवा तू तो बावरा है तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बावरे क्यों दिखाए सपने तू सोते जागते जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते.
Oh, that's so great. That's wonderful, wonderful. I would request all of you to please give her a clap or at least a thumbs up on the chat box. And if I'm not wrong, it's a movie song from Wake Up Sid, right?
Yes, yes.
Even I love this number. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next question. What are your short-term and long-term goals? in life?
So my short-term goals for right now is to complete my graduation, and I want to complete my master's also in journalism. So those are my short-term goals, and these are just for studies. But other than that, in makeup, I want to build up my own YouTube channel, and I want more audience to follow me on Instagram as well as YouTube. And for my long-term goals, I want to become a travel journalist, as well as I want to open my own makeup line, special effects makeup line. So those are my long-term goals.
Okay, you want the followers? Count us all in. Okay, we are going to be your followers. Thank
Definitely.
you. All the best for your goals. Next, how has your journey been after school, and what new skills have you acquired? Journey after
My
school.
my journey after school in 11, 12, it was really boring. I used to miss school a lot actually. I was feeling really lonely in my college times in my 11th and 12th. So I didn't do anything fun during my college days because I was always an introvert and I didn't wanted to do anything. There were many fests in my college in Sathe College, but Sathe was it was more about Maharashtrian crowd and everything. So their fest and everything was related to Marathi skits and singing and all those things. And I'm not good in Marathi at all. So after school it wasn't that good, but after my 12th I had a really great journey because I found many things that I love a lot. So after school, school helped me a lot to gain my confidence after that. And the song which I sang right now, I sang this song in my 11th standard in one of my competitions in Sathe. So yeah, that's
So that's a new skill you have acquired.
yes, I have.
Talent in singing. I would like to add something else here also. I have seen you dancing even in the school when you
Yes.
were at the garbas with your mother and everybody. You are very good at dancing as well. Okay. Yeah. The next question. What difference do you find between your journey in school and journey post school?
Um, my journey in school was really fun, and I used to get a lot of attention in school from teachers and principal ma'am and the staff. It was really great. But in college, no one bothers to ask you anything. They will be like, you do whatever you want to fail in the exam, you fail. But in school, there was nothing as such because teachers were always there for us, always. They used to teach us no matter what. I remember Smita P ma'am used to, she used to grab me and she used to teach me chemistry, even though I used to not like it. But we used to get a lot of attention, and in school, in college, there is no such thing. As well as there was a situation which I would like to share right now, which happened to me in my college. So when I was in my 11th grade, I was writing my exam paper, and all of a sudden I felt this incredible pain in my stomach. So I went to the washroom, and I was crying and crying and crying. So a Didi came in the washroom and she just asked me what happened. So I was like, I don't know, I'm having this pain. I can't get rid of it at all. So she didn't said anything. She's like, Acha, okay, fine. And she left. At that time, I was missing RRIS so much. I was crying, 50% I was crying for RRIS because I was like, if right now I would have been in RRIS, Didi, Bhaiya, teacher, anyone would have been there for me and they would have taken me to the clinic, or Dinah ma'am would have given me medicine, Reshma ma'am would have helped me. And later on, I found out that I had kidney stone. So I was really disturbed at that time because I was missing school a lot, and it was a really tough journey for me.
That's the beauty of RRS. That's the beauty of RRS. We connect, and we consider every student as a child. Yes. Thank you so much for the
Yes,
sharing your experience.
Kashish, if I may just ask, how do you feel now? Is
I'm
the
feeling good, ma'am.
is the problem cured? The kidney stone
Yes,
thing?
yes,
Okay, I'm
yes,
happy
yes,
to
ma'am.
know.
It's good.
Okay,
Yes,
take
Yeah.
care.
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
The next question: do you feel your school experience at RRS has given you an edge over your peers? Any specific areas?
An edge. I didn't got the question quite well.
Means whatever you have, the talent or whatever you have learned in the school, has it given an edge? Has it given an extra advantage to you over others because you have been nurtured or you
Okay.
have been in the school, right? So in that way.
Yes, it did give me like an edge over my peers because I was not quite an extrovert child. I was always introvert. I used to live like, not talking to anyone much, and I used to stay at my home only most of the time. But in school, when I came, I got that confidence which I wanted by doing many activities in school. There were many opportunities that was given to me in school time, and it really opened myself, and I got to learn that okay, I am different, and I can be unique also from other peers of myself. I cannot compare myself with others because everyone has their own talent. All of my friends, they are extremely talented in their own place. So I guess, yeah, so I have learned to gain that confidence about myself
Very
by
well
being in
said.
RRI.
Very well said. Very well said. All right. The next one. What
Kashyap,
learning
if
and
I
value?
remember, Greg, sorry to
Yes,
interrupt,
ma'am. Yes,
but
ma'am.
if I remember very well, you had participated in a competition which involved some acting. You remember Mono Act or
Yes,
something?
ma'am.
Samina ma'am trained
Yes,
you.
yes, yes.
I still remember you were practicing on the stage in the assembly hall, and you were learning it
Yes.
so sincerely. Looking at that kind of dedication, I was very sure, even at that moment, that you would reach great heights. And you are showing it in your personality now. God bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Your heart fills with joy, no? When you remember that everybody remembers you and other children what they had been doing. So these are the small little experiences and memories that makes people happy and feel proud of each other. All right. The next question to
Yes.
you: what learnings and values from school do you think have helped you sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world? Have you got me?
So the things that I've learned from school is to respect each and everyone. It's no matter what position it is, you should always respect elders and younger, everyone. Because RRIS is literally a family. It is a family for me. Still, it is. And I haven't talked much. Like in my school time, I used to not talk much with juniors. I used to always be in my class group only. But I knew few people definitely. But what I learned that you should talk to everyone and you should respect everyone and support each and everyone. So that's what I've learned in RRIS really well.
It is an amalgamation of everything that has put into you, and you have become what. So now I would request you to
Yes.
just give a gesture, just blow a kiss for the friends and the teachers and everybody who are on the platform right now. Just blow a kiss. Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kashi. Okay, the next one. Do you think unique happy school practices helped you, and how? The happy practices that our
Uh,
school has. Hello.
when we were in school, I don't think there was unique happiness practices going on. But when we were about to leave the school, principal ma'am used to do this activity after the school used to get over. That we have to say a thought or a sentence on some positivity. That was one thing, and then we had I think I feel
Yes.
box where
Yes.
we used to write everything whatever we feel. So that was actually a really good thing because no other school had such kind of stuff. And when whatever we used to feel about the staff members, if our classmate have bullied us or anything, we used to just write it down and we used to put it in our box. Even if it was anonymous, we always used to get help in return from the school.
Wow. That's good.
Wow, I'm so happy to know that you remember. I hope you also remember, Kashish, that I used to call students for breakfast with me. Did you ever have
Yes,
that?
yes, ma'am, I did.
I also
That was
remember. It was
that
a
was
beautiful.
yes, ma'am.
Those were some of the happy practices, and later we have added on much more. Every year we learn more, so we keep adding more elements of happiness in the school, and we wish that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
visit us and learn more about the happy practices that we have added in the school.
Yes, ma'am.
We have loads on happiness now in the school. It's increasing day by day. So
Yes.
yes, yes. So the next question, what are your best memories of school days?
My best memories would be it. They are mostly with my teachers actually, because and especially the best ever memory that I have is when I participated in the street play with Francis Sir. And we went to Dr. Pelle Academy for our street play, and we won. So that was my first achievement actually. So I was really happy at that moment, and that is my best memory because every Wednesday we used to stay back, and Sir used to help us with the practice. And I remember Prajwal was there with me in the street play, and he was really shy because there was this scene where he was supposed to propose me, and then I'll slap him. So in that scene, he used to get very nervous. So me, Francis, sir, we all used to go and we used to propose him that this is the way you should propose a girl. And he used to be very shy. So there were many good memories with Francis, especially because he used to teach those kids, and we used to have a lot of fun.
Oh, you had a laughter, right? Thank you for sharing that with us as well. All right, the next question. Which two subjects have impacted you as a person? Two subjects that you can.
um, English and Hindi. In English, we used to have summaries, and there were, I can't remember like specific thing, but there were many things that I learned a lot in English, and my English improved a lot after RRIS, as well as my Hindi was really improved. I got to know in RRIS that my Hindi subject is really strong because of Meena ma'am. She felt that my Hindi is really good, and she added me in the TP classes. And she used to like teachers used to make these groups for students who are better in some subject, and I felt really bad at one point that I am not good in any subject, and I am not added in any group. So Meena ma'am at that time she told me you are in the group, and I got really shocked because at that time I realized that my Hindi was quite a strong subject for me, and it helped me in my college also really well because in my college in 11th standard I topped in especially Hindi subject.
Yes, and that's how RRI selects children. I mean, you don't have to feel disheartened because everybody is good in something or the other. And yes,
Yes.
you had your chance there, right? The next question. What is your view on on good student-teacher relationship? Can you share one example of good teacher-student relationship you experienced while schooling in RRS?
I have one example of a good teacher student relationship is about Samina ma'am actually. And in her lecture she used to not be a teacher with us, she used to always be a child with us. And the way she used to express her emotions while teaching us, she used to be always in a fun mood, but whenever we used to not do our homework she used to be a really bad person. But she had this really good communication with us, we were really open with her. And another teacher was Meena ma'am and Smita P ma'am, especially because I was terrible in chemistry subject. And Smita P ma'am used to only tell me that you will sit till 5 o'clock and I will teach you chemistry no matter what. You are not going home without studying chemistry the whole day. And she used to take extra lectures only for me in school till 5 o'clock, and she used to teach me chemistry. And for Meena ma'am, I've said that the TP one, she was the one to recognize that I had strength in Hindi subject. So the relationship is really friendly with the teachers and the student, and that's what a student needs. The more friendly, the more open up a child can be. So yeah.
Very, very well said. The next question. Uh, am I echoing right now?
No.
No? Okay, I could hear my own voice, I guess. Who is your role model in society, whom you look up to?
My role model is my mother. Definitely she is my role model. She has taught me to respect everyone, and she because of her I have seen how to work hard. She has taught me that no matter where you are, no wherever you are, whichever position you are, you always have to work hard to gain something. And she taught me that. Then there is a journalist whose name is Sudhir Chaudhary. He is a journalist in Z News. I love him a lot. Because of him, I decided to choose journalism in my last year. Then there's there are actually more three. Is it
You
fine? I
can go
can say.
ahead. Yes, yes, you can go ahead. We
There
get
is
inspired by
a
many.
yes. There is a makeup artist. Her name is Malvika Sitlani. She is an amazing makeup artist. So basically, she has her own YouTube page. She not only does makeup, but she also talks about self love, motivation. She talks about how to reach higher in your career and how to work hard. So it's everything she teaches in her YouTube channel. Then there's two special effects makeup artists. There is one Barry Gover and Gregory Nicotero. They both are my inspiration. As I've said that in my long-term goals, I want to open my own special effects makeup brand, and these two are special effects makeup artists. They work in Hollywood, and I want to become like them one day, and I want to open my own brand. So yeah.
And let me tell you, the future is waiting for you. Certainly, you are going to be admired, and people are going to follow you. That's my blessing, and that's my wish. And this is definitely going to happen one day. Yes,
I really hope so.
yes. No, you have to be positive, and you'll be. Thank you.
Yes.
The next question to you is: what is your advice to the budding juniors in school? Your
Okay.
juniors in school.
My advice to them is respect your teachers, because and always be friendly to them. Be open with your teachers. They are not going to eat you, because whenever you will be friendly with your teachers will love it. They will love it a lot, and they will help you in every point of your life. And school teachers are someone who will stay with you for your entire life. Even if you call them when you're 40 years old, they will talk to you and they'll be really proud of you. And I've got to know them from RRIs itself. The school teachers, principal ma'am, always supporting me for what I'm doing right now, and I'm really thankful for that. And another thing is, have fun in school. If you think that college life is more fun, there's no such thing like that. School is the best thing ever that is going to happen in your life. So just enjoy school life to the fullest.
Excellent. Very well said. The next question: how can the schools support ex-students? Any suggestions?
This session, video session that we are doing, that's really helpful for the alumni. Another thing that I've thought about is, so basically we face many difficulties to get internships. So we don't have quite references or contacts because we are really new in this industry. Now for me, I want to become a journalist, but for that I need few practices, because once my college is done, I don't know what I will do, where I have to go. I'll be totally blank. Right now I know what I want to do, but after that I think I will be quite blank, because I don't know where I am supposed to go. So with internships I get practice, I get experience. So it's difficult for me to get internships for other students as well. So what RRIs can help us, that RRIs have many contacts with different institutions, different corporates, many contacts a school has. So maybe RRIs can help us getting internships. Like they can suggest us, they can give us few references that okay, this is the institution where you can learn journalism and you can get a 1 or 2 month internship. Then if someone is good in PR or digital marketing, so we can get help in internships.
So you have chosen your path. Only the way is to be decided. I mean, somebody has to show you
Yes.
the way, right? So
Yes.
I request Principal Ma'am in case she would like to say something on this. Hello.
I think ma'am is on mute, Greg sir. But as far as Kapish
Hello.
mentioned, digital, yes, ma'am.
I guess ma'am is speaking.
Yes, Greg. So it was a wonderful experience listening to our beautiful and intelligent and sweet Kashish. And what I love the most about what you all said is the kind of thought that you have when you look at yourself in the mirror, and you give importance to your mental health. And this is, I think, somewhere becoming the buzzword the period of lockdown especially has brought it to everyone's notice that mental health is all that counts. When you are isolated from others, when you have to be your own friend, and it is so important to have those relationships where you can share with people. And I'm happy to know that you remind yourself whenever you look into the mirror. That shows how strong, confident, and intelligent girl you are. So,
Yes.
Kashish, I'm so proud of you, and I'm
Thank you,
100%,
ma'am.
I'm 1000% sure you will make us more proud by using your talent in the right way, pursuing your passion, never backing down, and giving your best
Yes.
shot
Uh,
you want to do
uh,
in life.
Ma'am, some more questions are yet to go. I mean, actually, we asked you to speak on the thing that she said, the kind of support that the ex-students would get it from the school. So she said that after doing her journalism or the courses that the children are doing, RRS has a host of contacts. So if they could, put our names forth somewhere so that we can get internships. So I wanted you to shed some
Yes,
light on that.
of course.
Yes.
So what I feel is, if for that the students will have to approach the school, and the
Yes.
school is always with you, we can prepare recommendation letters and we can forward it to your institutions wherever you want to work, or to an organization wherever our children want to serve as interns. So the
Mhm.
school is always there. In fact, the students have been approaching for admissions also abroad where they need recommendation letters. So we are with you, and we are also open to hearing more such ideas in whatever way the school can help. We
Yes.
are a part of you. The school belongs to you more than to us. It belongs to
Yes.
its children.
Yes.
Yes. Once the Ramratnarian is always a Ramratnarian. So you may leave the school's portal, but the school will never leave you. You are part of the school forever, right? So
Yes.
on that note, I'll go with the next question. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. The next question to you, Kashish, is what is the one thing about the school that you miss the most?
Um, the one thing that I miss the most is um, I miss I
The
miss
school.
acting. I miss acting actually in school. Like I've participated in those competitions, elocution competitions, then debate competitions, then the mono act competition, street plays. I miss that a lot because after school I haven't got any opportunity and I haven't participated any such competitions anymore. So I miss that a lot. And in school I had a platform to showcase my talent, but right now I have platforms, but I guess I'm lazy enough, or there are few reasons that pops up in my head. But I really miss acting and just expressing myself, that I miss the most in my school.
Okay, I just read the message from your mom, which just popped up on the chat box. You do acting in Instagram, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. So you're further nurturing your talent. That's a wonderful thing. So once this COVID goes away completely, plan it one day. Let's come and have a acting class here in the school once again for everybody.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. The next question, something funny, any episode of funny or mischief that you can recall right now?
Mischief that I did in school that I can recall would be. Hmm. I remember Samina ma'am used to always bash us a lot in school time. And what she used to do is, whenever we used to not get our homework done, she used to shout so much in the corridors, and we all used to be so scared. At the end moment, we used to do our homework before she comes. And the Didi which was there for Samina ma'am, I can't remember the name of the Didi, but her voice was exactly like Samina ma'am. So when Samina ma'am left the school, Didi used to come in the corridor. We all used to play in our corridor before the lectures used to start. So Didi, whenever Didi used to come in the corridor, she used to shout really loudly, and we used to think Samina ma'am aa gayi, Samina ma'am aa gayi. And we all used to run in the class, and we were really scared. We were really scared of her all the time. So that was a really funny memory. And one more funny memory was. my swimming lectures. I used to not like swimming lectures, and I used to always run away from swimming lecture. Pooja ma'am used to grab me and used to put me in the swimming pool, and she used to teach me swimming. But I used to trouble her. I troubled her a lot, Pooja ma'am, because I never used to do swimming. The same with skating. Skating was something I used to hide whenever skating lecture used to be there. I used to sit behind the stage, and half an hour I used to just do time pass, and I used to tie my skates, and sir used to always catch me, and he used to shout at me a lot.
Okay, so you haven't learned skating yet? Have you learned now?
No.
But you have balanced your life very well. Thank you.
But we have Pooja ma'am also here with us.
Oh, she's there. पूजा मैम आप
Pooja
कुछ
ma'am,
कहना चाहते हो?
Pooja ma'am.
Hello, Kashi.
Hello, ma'am.
You can come now also for learning.
Yes,
I,
ma'am.
I accept the challenge.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay, the
So we
next
look
question.
forward to having you. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
And you can
ma'am.
come and have your swimming lessons. We don't want any student of Ramratna to say that she doesn't know swimming.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
And Pooja ma'am is ready for the challenge.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you, Principal ma'am. All right, Prashish, the next question, I think it's very close to your heart, if I say so. Given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
I would love to. I would love to come back RRIS. A day, I would be for a week, I would be for a month, but I would love to come back RRIS, definitely. And
Yes.
I would love to do so many different activities in school, and I would love to sit in lectures. Compulsory sit in lectures.
Okay, given a chance, don't sit in the lecture, but what would you do in the entire day? For example, if you come for a day, what would you do? How would you spend your day?
I would love to have regular lectures with
Oh,
all
that
the teachers which we had before. The same teachers that we had with all of them, if that's
oh,
possible. But yeah.
yeah, thank you. Next, what three things do you feel the school can do to do better than we are doing right now? Three things that you feel that the school can do better.
Uh, I think that school is doing really great, really, really great. And there are these happy sessions, and everything that's happening, activities in school. It's really fun. It sounds so fun that I feel like I want to go back school again. And I have this suggestion that one thing we can do in school is during this lockdown, I realized that there are many household things that we need to do, like घर का काम बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. So what we can do is we can give this one lecture of half an hour or anything to all the students, including boys also, how to cook and how to keep your house clean, how to maintain the house when your mom is not there, how you should keep your house clean. That we can teach every student, not just boys, even girls, how to cook food. That's really important, because in the lockdown we have realized that it's really important to keep your house clean, and if one day your mother will not be home, the house is going to be a mess. So we can teach that as a lecture.
That's the need of the hour, and that's a wonderful life skill one should learn. So thank you for sharing with us. Yes,
That's
please.
really a wonderful point, and I would just like you to know that during this lockdown, we are conducting the online classes for children, and there is one period for values and life skills, and this is what the period is supposed to be utilized for making children more conscious and used to the life skills. And what you have mentioned is such an important life skill, and not just one.
Yes.
You have so many. So
Yes,
yes, we are doing it, including Greg sir. He's also
yes,
conducting life skills classes with his primary students and all the
yes,
other coordinators and teachers.
yes.
So I hope we all are making a note, and we will ensure that in our life skills classes, we take up this very seriously. I hope
Certainly,
that
ma'am.
Yes.
means something to
Yes,
you,
ma'am. Yes, yes.
Ashish.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so proud of you. You are bringing
Thank
very
you, ma'am.
relevant and practical points.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, ma'am.
All right. So the last question, probably. All right. No, the second last. What life lessons has your parent taught you? Life lessons from your
Um,
mother.
yeah, my parent, my mother, she has taught me many things in life. She has always taught me to be down to earth, no matter where you are in wherever in life, wherever you are. Always know your roots because that is really important from where you have come, where you have reached, and the most important thing is respect. The moment you'll give respect to people, you'll get love in return. And love is all that we need in this world right now. So the more you respect, the more love you will get. And that's what I think that my mom has always taught me to respect each and everyone. She's taught me to do hard work, and she has told me to always remember your roots no matter where you are. And whenever you earn a lot, wherever there is money, never show the ego or the attitude ever, because that is the downfall of your life. So that's what she has taught me.
Excellent, awesome, awesome. She has taught you to value your roots and be grounded, and that is what the required for the generations to come. Thank you so much. And the last
If I
question
can
now.
add here, Greg,
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
if I can just add here something.
Yes, please, please, please.
As Kashish's mother is here with us in the session, so
Yes, ma'am.
Sheetal, I take this opportunity to congratulate you on doing such a brilliant job of parenting. We are so proud of you. What you have done is an inspiration for others to follow, and your daughter is making you proud. You have given her the right life lessons. I'm proud of both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
We miss you, Sheetal. Take care.
I miss you too, ma'am. I miss RRIS.
Okay, thank you so much. Kashish, the last question is the school is planning a lot of initiatives for alumni. Will you be willing to be part of this?
Yes, each and every. I'll be there in each and every any programs.
All right, all right. We welcome you for that. And with this, the official interview gets over. And I would now request if any of the teachers would like to speak, those who have taught her or known Kashish well. So please, one by one, unmute yourself and let us have a candid chat with Kashish.
Namaste, Greg sir. Namaste,
Namaste,
principal ma'am.
Smita
Namaste,
ma'am.
everyone. Namaste.
Namaste,
Namaste,
ma'am.
how are you, Kashish?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. First thing I would like to say is I cannot take my eyes off you. You're looking
Yes.
so beautiful. So
Thank you,
pretty.
ma'am.
And
Thank
you're,
you so much, ma'am.
and throughout the interview, since 1 hour, you're just smiling, laughing, and I'm in like my jaws are paining because I'm also continuously smiling, looking at you.
That's what we need, ma'am. Always keep
Yes.
smiling.
Yes, very true, Kashish. And you have spoken so well. All your suggestions, all your points, all your expressions, your thought process, you have put up so wonderfully well. I am really in awe of you. You have really made us proud. We are extremely proud of you. Extremely proud of
Thank
you.
you
And
so much,
you have done something very different career wise, and okay, everybody is taking their own path, and I am very sure that everybody who has moved out of RRIS is definitely going to excel, but your thoughts are so clear. I'm amazed with your thought process, and no doubt credit goes to your mother, Sheetal ma'am. The way she has brought you up and the way she has carried herself, that has come into you. So we are extremely proud of both of you. Uh, wish you all the best in your life, Kashish, and we are
Thank you
very
so much,
sure that
ma'am.
you are going to further excel in whatever you do. Our blessings, our best wishes are always with you, dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I miss you, ma'am.
We miss you too.
I miss you teaching us biology.
And I also miss all of you a lot. We all teachers miss you all a lot. So take care, Kashish, and always be in touch with us. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay.
Smita ma'am,
Uh,
for sharing your sentiments. Yes, Usha ma'am, please.
Yeah, namaste, ma'am. Namaste, all of you.
Namaste.
Namaste, Kashish. How are you?
Namaste, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. How
Uh,
are you?
yeah, I always I have seen you smiling, a very sweet child. And like I always tell Sheetal, I always used to tell her that your daughter is very, she's very obedient and she is very sweet, very respectful. Because whenever I have seen you talking so respectfully, so politely, you always spoke. And um, all the best for whatever path you have chosen, and I know you will do very well. In fact, you are doing very well. And it was like uh, I loved it. Like, when I first saw your video, I just asked Sheetal ki, is it her, doing all this stuff? From where did she learn all these things? So Sheetal said that कि वो खुद से पूरा उसने सीखा है. She used to watch YouTube videos and she learned. And I mean, it's really good. You're a good learner and you're doing amazing work. And I mean, I like the fact that you are all so fixed, what you want to do in your life, in your future. That is very important. Your goal is fixed, and you're working towards it. So all the best for your future. I hope I pray to God that you get all the success and happiness, because happiness is very important. Always be smiling like this. Our blessings are always there with you. Love you,
Thank you
Kashish.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I vouch all the words that Usha ma'am just spoke about you, Kashish. All true, all true. Anybody else would like to come and speak? Any of the teachers? Did Asha ma'am teach you ever? Yes, Asha ma'am, would
Namaste
you like to come?
Kashish.
Yes.
Namaste
Namaste,
Principal ma'am.
ma'am.
Namaste everyone. कैसी हो कशिश?
मैम मैं ठीक हूँ.
कशिश मुझे अभी भी याद है जब तुमने RRIS में ग्रेड 8 में एडमिशन लिया था, तब तुम एकदम शांत, ज्यादा नहीं किसी से बात करना और एकदम अपने में रहना. जो धीरे धीरे मैंने देखा है तुम्हारे अंदर जो बदलाव आया है, और वो इतना मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि मतलब तुमने जो भी सीखा, जो भी सीख रही हो, वो बहुत ही सही दिशा में तुमने अपना कदम बढ़ाया है. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है और आपके भविष्य के लिए ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. और शीतल मैम, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
all the
you,
best,
ma'am.
Kashish.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
We are good to go with one more person. If anybody would like to, please come up quickly.
Sir, I would like to say,
Maya ma'am.
yes, Kashish, all the very best, my dear. You are looking
Thank
so
you,
pretty
ma'am.
and you are doing so well. I am the follower of your Instagram. Whatever makeup videos you are posting, it is lovely, amazing. Every time I am showing to my sister-in-law and all the person ki she is my school students. Lovely, great, very best. All the best,
Thank you
beta.
so much,
All the
ma'am. Thank
best.
you so much.
Anyone
Hello.
else?
I would like
Yes,
Deepa
yes.
to
Sir,
speak.
this is Deepa.
Oh, Deepa ma'am.
Deepa. See the tuning.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Deepa.
Yes.
Namaste, Greg sir. Namaste, everyone.
Namaste. Namaste, Deepa.
And namaste, dear Kashish.
Namaste, ma'am.
Okay, I'm watching you smiling and having fun talking. I'm also laughing here. I'm also feeling so proud watching you like this. And whatever you're doing, you're so happy with that. That is the most important thing. Whatever we do, we should enjoy that. And what can see, you're doing what and you're enjoying whatever you're doing. And I'm
Yes.
so proud. I'm feeling so proud. And as I can see, Usha ma'am also told just now that you're so in while talking with you, we can feel that the respect in your eyes, in your body language. In the school also, whenever we were having dance lecture, we enjoy together, we dance together, and
Yes.
always respect everyone. As you said, we should not see the post or person whenever young or elder. We should respect everyone, and I can feel from you that whatever you're saying, you have lived that. and I'm really, really proud of you. And Sheetal ma'am, salute to you. We can see whatever you have teach. We can see in Kashish also. So proud of you, and I'm happy that I know person those they can speak and they live their life like that. Thank you so much. God bless you,
Thank you.
Kashish.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Deepa.
God bless you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Deepa.
ma'am.
Is there
Thank
anyone else who would like to
Yes,
comment?
sir. Greg, sir.
Yes,
Can I,
yes,
sir?
Vandana. Yes, yes, please, please, Vandana, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Namaste, everyone. Hello,
Nam-
Kashish. We hardly
Hello,
had
ma'am.
very few meetings. Yeah. But here, just I would like to add here, it was very sad moment when when Sheetal ma'am had an accident, and I just went to see you to visit her at home, and the way you were taking care of your mom, you were serving food, you were coming out and with lots of smile, and there was lots of satisfaction on your face with lots of love. The way you were doing, I was touched that day. I was just thinking, oh my god, such a brave, that moment I cannot uh like whenever I think about that moment, I feel so like you are such a blessed child, Kashish. God bless you, and you are doing wonders and wonders in your life. God bless you, Kashish. All the best to
Thank
you,
you so
and
much.
Sheetal ma'am to you also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Vandana.
Kashish, let
Vandana,
me
you
add
are
some.
so right. Vandana is so right. I have seen you doing that in the hospital.
Yes.
And any mother would be proud to have a daughter like you. And I
Yes,
wish
ma'am.
all the mothers are blessed to have daughters like you. And anyway, daughters are wonderful. I have nothing against the boys, but then I've seen the way Kashish was concerned and taking the entire responsibility on her young shoulders. It made me so proud. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Kashish, let me add something here. We are just grown by age, but there are many things that we can learn from you, and we can imbibe in us because we learn from each other, and there is so many things that we can learn, and we can actually practice on that because learning is what we have to do all the time. And thank you for inspiring us. You are a beacon of inspiration for many children of your age and people even like us. So thank you so much. I would like to end with one line, and then I would request principal ma'am to address us again. I would touch upon the line of हरिवंश राय लालजी बच्चन उनका जो पोइट्री है कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती. I have just changed the word and little one line. कशिश जैसे लोगों की हार नहीं होती. So I have given
Oh
you that
my God.
importance. The one who has the aim in life and has the potential and the hard work to do, and there is never a losing moment. You will always be a victorious person, and God bless you with all that you wish. And I'm so happy interviewing you, and learning so many things from you. I'm feeling very happy. Thank you so much. Yes,
Thank
principal
you.
ma'am. Yes.
Sir, can I speak
Yes, yes,
something
Shaila ma'am.
before you
Yes, ma'am.
invite ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay, so I have been attending these sessions of Back to Roots, but unfortunately, I never got an opportunity to meet all these students. So I have not been able to express my feelings towards them. But fortunately, yes, I got an opportunity to meet Sheetal ma'am, and I can see her reflection in Kashish. So I somehow relate with her. But so congratulations, Sheetal ma'am, and all the best to you, Kashish. And I would
Thank you,
also
ma'am.
like to speak something about this initiative that we have taken up about Back to Roots. So I am very attached to my school. I'm equally attached. The way you all feel for your school, I have similar feelings for my school. And whenever I go home, whenever I visit my native place, I make it a point to visit my school. So many of the teachers who used to teach me there are not present right now, are not working with the same organization. But there are many who are still there, and that gives me a satisfaction, that gives me a happiness, and it's a very different feeling. I mean, I don't really think that I can describe that feeling in words. It is all to be experienced. The air, the walls, and the watermarks which I can see on the walls, the roof, everything, even the blackboard, it gives me shivers. So but until date, I was under an impression that my school is the best. But now I see that HZV has got a competition. So RRIS is also the best. So thank you, students. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Principal Ma'am, for this and taking us back to our school every week. Thank you so much.
It's so nostalgic, right? It's like just being there again and experiencing everything that we had in our school days. All right, I request now Principal Ma'am to address all of us.
Yes. So, namaste, everyone. It has been an excellent experience listening to our wonderful Kashish. It is an example of what real education is all about. You are displaying all that not only in your words, but in the way you think and in the way you act. Any educator, any teacher, any school principal would be so glad to see the mission and vision of the school getting fulfilled in the way you have grown up. It is reflecting all the values that we ever wanted in our children. So you are really a source of inspiration for us, like Greg said, not just for children. I'm surprised seeing so much of wisdom in a young girl like you, who's not even half my age, or almost half my age, but the wisdom nowhere seems to be lesser than me. So it has been such a pleasant experience. And as far as Sheetal is concerned, we are talking about her because she has equally been a part of our school, just like the way you have been. And Sheetal also soon would be called on back to the Roots program because Sheetal, you also have your roots deeply seated here in the soils of RRIS. So we would be having you here again as the guest of the talk show. And I would just like to end it by saying, stick to your values, stick to your principles in life, and everything would be fine because success is all about knowing your life principles, pursuing your passion, which you have already started. And I can see the success already in your hands. And we are so glad to see that. God bless you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Always trust in your abilities in life because this is what
Yes.
your mother has taught you. This is what you have got in your spirit. And yes, your school is always there with you. Remember us whenever you need us, even when you don't need us. We are always there.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. This is the best thing. RRIs is definitely the best thing that ever happened to me. I have so many memories with RRIs which I can never forget. And the amount of respect that I have for RRIs is it's too much. And whenever I tell my college friends about RRIs, they all are really jealous because they're like, हमारी school ऐसी क्यों नहीं है? You are lucky to have such school, and I'm definitely very lucky to be a part of RRI's family. It's an honor to be because this is something else only, and I have this really love in my heart for RRIs that would never go. Even if I'll be 90 years old, 100 years old, it will never go, definitely.
Kashish,
So
even
sweet
we are.
of you.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
school loves you too. So, with this, I would just like to say carry on with your passion and live your life fully. Give back to the school. There was a question Greg sir asked you, what can the school do for the alumni? Which is really a
Yes,
wonderful question. I would also like in our future talks to add one more question. What can the alumni do for the school? Because
yes,
the roots are the support of the whole tree. So if the school is the tree, you people are the fruits, then the roots need to be nurtured by all, the entire environment. And alumni serve as the best resources for the school's growth. And hence, we would like to have an answer to that as well from all the alumni. I know you are willing, you are keen to give back to your school in whatever way you can. So let's
yes,
have that question also because they have so much to give back to the school and to the juniors. God bless you.
definitely.
God bless
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Take care. All the best.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
Principal
ma'am.
Ma'am. Thank you.